Hi guys, this video is going to show you how to upload the screencasts you're making into Google Classroom. Today and tomorrow you'll practice with the Geography of Rome screencast, so I'm using Jackson's account. Thank you, Jackson, for letting me use it to show you how to do it. So you'll be uploading your Ancient Rome Geography screencast. You'll have an assignment that's due. You'll click on that and it'll look like this, where you want to add a document. And you're going to go to the paper clip. So this is going to be anything that's on the computer. And I'm sorry, it's in Spanish. I tried to fix it, but that's not working. This will say something in English like select something from the computer. So yes, select from my computer. And then make sure you're looking in your downloads folder. Remember, that's where we saved them. I called this one Geography of Rome. So I have to go down to G. Where is it? Right there. Okay, I'm going to click it and then open. And then this is to upload. Now I want to deliver it and say yes. And you can see you've got the green check mark. You're complete. That's it. Enjoy screencasting and getting some practice in for the big project, your PSA.